To automatically resend undelivered chat in the Messages app as text or MMS on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, open Samsung Messages app, tap More icon or three vertical dot icon at the top right, and then tap Setting, tap Chat Setting, tap If a chat isn't delivered, and then select Resend as a text or multimedia message. With this setting, if your message fails to send over the internet, it will automatically resend using your mobile balance as a regular text or MMS. Given to the function, this feature is helpful in situations where your internet connection is unstable. With this feature, you don't have to worry about messages not reaching someone, because your phone will handle it for you by switching to SMS or MMS when needed. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.